we will show you how to use the HDR zone display. On an HDR monitor, it's hard to see what part of the picture is SDR and what part is HDR. When you need to make an SDR image out of an HDR image, you need to set the proper levels for each. You can see if you have the proper SDR and HDR levels by using the HDR zone display. The SDR part of the picture will be black and white, while the HDR part will be in color. Check the brightness level in nits by looking at the HDR scale. We will show you how to change the upper limit of the HDR zone display. You can adjust the upper limit of the HDR zone to meet your requirements. If the levels exceed the upper limit, that part of the picture will be colored in magenta. The maximum brightness levels for grading can be set based on your requirements. This is how you make that change in the menu. We will show you the HDR waveform display. Adding the HDR option will allow you to display the HDR scale on the right side of the waveform display. The reference scale is displayed at the boundary between HDR and SDR. You can also use the cursor to show the HDR value at certain points. Using the layout option, you can display the waveform, vector, HDR zone, and CIE chart at the same time.